Just quick vid how to pre-wash the car. So basically I just spray with water. Spray with water. You know, not a lot of pressure. Just enough to get all the mud. Oh, not mud. The dust out. Like the spray. Don't use pressure washer as per YouTube. they don't recommend it. And you know, this is enough. This is good enough. Just to get the dust out. Because even if you just do a quick wipe down, there's still like dust in some places. Yeah, so I just spray it down. But the motor is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that. And then we're gonna wipe it up anyway later on. So there's a light spray. It's not muddy, it's just dusty. We ride on a dry conditions here, so around here the drivetrain, get all the dust out, and then we'll dry it up later. Just wipe it dry. There it is. Enough to get it wet. I may have water up more than I should have, but you know. All good. That's it. And then basically I'll just wipe it dry and clean the drivetrain, and then it's good to go. So you know, it looks clean, but it's not entirely clean because the dust is stuck onto the bike. You see that? You can see you know, a bit of dust stuck in there. That's why you have to wipe it off. Dive it off. Ooh, is this scratch? You get oh okay, this is when I smashed the tree. You get like those tree juice. There you go. Lucky it's a tree. I thought it was gonna scratch my stanchion, so that's alright. I rubbed it off with my hand. Smashed the tree today. There it is.